You want to know what's new in Filmora X? Keyframing, color matching, and motion tracking are my 3 favorite things, and I'm gonna show you how. This is the keyframing that you're seeing right now. This is color matching of 2 different clips that you can select the same color tone, make it look professional, and this is motion tracking. Don't you love it? Yay! Hi, I'm Malin. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Do subscribe. Hit subscribe and the bell to get notified before we dive into keyframing. Keyframing is really when you create your own animation. So let's dive into Filmora. Grab a couple of media files to work on. I'm gonna have a black background, and then I'm gonna grab an image here that I'm gonna work with. So you're gonna mark the image that you want to move around your screen. So I'm selecting subscribe here. Double clicking it takes you to the animation and customize tabs. Make sure that you're in there. And then start by placing your image where you want it to start in the animation. So I'm going to start right here. And then I'm going to drag the playhead to a place where I want my animation to start. Adding a keyframe point where the arrow is pointing right there. You can see the point. You can add and delete them as you wish. I'm adding another one, and then I'm going to make up my mind. What do I want to happen between these 2 points? I'm going to spin this subscribe button. So it's going to spin between the first and the second point right there. I'm adding a couple more. And what do I want to do? I think I want to just spin it right back to where it was by hitting this back arrow right there. And then I'm going to add another point because I love fading. So this is where I'm adding another point. And how can you fade it? Well, just look at the opacity. Drag it down to whatever you want. I'm gonna go all the way down to 0. And this is the preview. Spinning one way, spinning back, and then fading. Yay! So there it is. There you have it. This is keyframing. You can add as many points as you want in your frame. Now for color matching. Keep watching. 2 different clips that you might have shot at different times during the day, or even on different days. Or maybe you're just collecting different clips from all over the place and you want it to look professional. Your whole video want to have the same mood or color tone. You can just drag down the clips into the timeline and double clicking a clip, go for color and color matching. Make sure that you mark the clips that you want to match. Go for the comparison view and they all end up to your right. The one to the left has both clips and you can select which scene do you want to match to. I'm gonna go for this one. Match it, and within seconds you can see the result in the right hand side where you can see how the second clip has changed. And I think it's okay, but it's a little bit much, and it's easy to just adjust the level of the matching like this. And I think this is going to be fine. So let's preview it and see if it turns out well. So in that way, you can actually just combine clips from anywhere and have them match each other in the color and the tone and the mood, and you're going to look professional in your video, which is great. Keep watching, because now here comes motion tracking. So let's dive in. I'm grabbing this motorcycle clip again, and I'm going to add 2 elements that I'm going to be tracking this motorcycle. So first you have to make sure that the tracker box is reduced and just covering the object that you want to track. So I'm just adjusting it right like this here and placing it right on top of the motorcycle. And when I'm happy, I'm just going to go ahead and click the start tracking button, and you can see the tracking box following the motorcycle here. Now let's select the element that we want to follow the motorcycle. So you can select it from your computer on the drop down menu here, or just go for an element that is in Filmora already. I've chosen the Great Outdoors. I think it's super for this clip. So once I've chosen that, I drag it on top of the clip. Then I adjust the size and also adjust the placement in the video and where I want it in relation to the tracking box. Click the video clip again, motion tracking, and in the drop down menu select the element that you want to connect to the tracking box. And there you go. This is so much fun. Just hold on, I'm gonna add one more thing before I'm happy. So now you can add another thing. By cutting the clip into, you're releasing the motion in the tracking box. You're releasing the tracking box and you can add another element. Make sure that you can see the tracking box and just confirm that it's in the place where you want it, and then go grab the other element that you want to add. Now I'm gonna go for something in the fun department, which is also new for Filmora 10. Go down, grab these hearts, put them right on top of the new part of the clip, adjust the size and the placement in the video and in relation to the tracking box. Go back to the motion tracking, select it from the drop-down menu. That's when you connect it to the tracking box, and there you go! Keep watching my other videos, do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.